Yo, DJ Smasher.
Don't take it personally, I'm surprised you call me after the